One of the joys of living on an island in the tropics is that you can be at the beach within minutes, unless of course you're not a beach person. And if the latter is the case, you can still enjoy the scenic views, coastal settings, and great weather at any time of the year. In our case, when we decide to head to the beach, it's usually on a whim, and it's just a matter of changing into some swimwear and loading up the cooler. Today we decided to try out some paddleboarding with some friends, so we headed to the Westin Resort on Tumon Bay. It was here I ran across a familiar shady spot on the beach, a spot which I think I could spend a lot more time at. But today we were here to paddleboard, not relax. Okay, well, the girls did most of the paddleboarding, and I did some relaxing. We'll just stay here by the beer wagon. Paddleboard, take 6. When you're young, you can do that. Paddling off into the sunset. There they go. I got water on my lens? No. Alright guys. Smile for the camera. Smile. Look at Michael, man. He's going like 90 miles an hour. Come on, give us a wipeout. that was a pretty lame fall.
Oh yeah.
I got that one.
I can balance now. What happened?
I don't know. It's hard sometimes, though. All right, go ahead.
I drink beer first and thirsty.
Drink beer first.
Yeah.
All right, just hold on. I'll push you in. It's beer time. And as quick as it all started, paddleboarding this day was over. But Terry had some time to throw in a little workout before I enjoyed a cold one, and we headed home.